is Mikram. So, itong concert nyo, I'm so happy na dati lang, ina-announce nyo lang yung concert nyo. Ngayon, nandito na tayo! And yung wish ko lang is maging successful pa kayo and maging sikat ang Gen 6. Yun lang. Love you all, guys.
Hi Gen 6! Happy anniversary and congratulations sa concert ninyo. I'm so happy na I got a chance to be here and you also got a chance to show what you got. And good luck and see you on all your events, lalo na sa mga cup sleeve. Thank you!
Hello Gen 6! Congratulations sa inyong first anniversary. This is just the first of many and alam ko nandito pa rin kaming souls para sa inyo. Congratulations sa inyong concert. Yes, nandito tayo sa concert. And alam kong marami kayong ibibigay sa amin na performances. Talagang ibibigay nyo ang lahat. Kaya congratulations at this point and congratulations sa lahat ng magiging achievements nyo and milestones in the future. Congratulations Gen 6 and happy first anniversary!